guys, welcome back to our beginner to advanced Python course.
Open PyCharm and create a new project. Give any name to your project. Let's create a new file in PyCharm. Give whatever name you want. Before you click on create, make sure you check your interpreter is the updated version of Python. It will take few seconds to load virtual environment. Press Ctrl A and backspace to clear the screen. For Mac, press Command A and delete. On top right you can see one green color play button. That is run button. After writing code we click this to run code. On bottom left we can find terminal. This is the place where we install all the modules that we need. On right you can see green tick mark, that means our program has no errors. If our code has any error it will show there. Like if I wanna explain how this line works, we can describe using comments. In Python, comments are written using hash. Practice set will be in description. Solve them and post your answers in our messenger group. Group link will be down below. I will explain answers there on live.